Hello everyone. I am Anupam. Welcome back to Python for Absolute Beginner series. In this lesson, we are going to learn exception handling in Python. So, let's start. What is an exception? An exception is an error that occurs during program execution. Unlike syntax errors, exceptions happen when the code is syntactically correct but encounters an unexpected condition during runtime. Exception handling allows us to gracefully manage these errors instead of letting our program crash unexpectedly. Okay, so the first one is zero division error, that is by dividing by zero, and second one is value error, that is an exception error. Okay, so invalid data type conversion, that is value error, and it is called exception handling. So third one is name error, that is an undefined variable, that name error will occur. Okay, so fourth one is type error, it is an incorrect operation. When we apply any incorrect operation, then type error will be occur. Okay, so the example like code x is equal to 10, y is equal to 0, print x by y. Then we will get output trace back most recent call last main.py, zero division error. Okay, so it means program stops immediately when an exception occurs, which can be problematic in any real applications. Okay, then any error occur, then the program stops immediately. Okay, the try and accept statement. The try block lets us test a block of code for errors, and the accept block lets us handle the error gracefully. So the example like try x is equal to 10, y is equal to 0, then print x by y, then accept print error occurred. Then we get output print error occurred. If you divide x by y means 10 by 0, then the value is infinity. Then program continues running instead of crashing. Okay, then that is the output like error occurred. Okay, the next one is the finally block. Try, the code that might raise an exception, that is called try. Except, it handles specific exceptions. Finally, it means it always executes regardless of exceptions. So the example like try, print 10 by 0, except print error, finally print done. Okay, so then we get output error done. Okay, finally is the perfect for cleanup operations like closing file resources. Okay, so the else block runs only when no exception occur in the try block. So it is used for code that should only execute when everything goes smoothly. So the first one is try. To attempt the operation, you should use try. So second one is except. It handles errors if they occur. Third one is else. It runs if no error occur. Okay, so example like try print 10 by 2, except print error, else print success, output is 5 success. Okay, why exception handling is important? The first one is file handling, means it handles cases when files don't exist or can't be accessed. So the second one is user input. It manages invalid or unexpected user input gracefully. Okay, so the third one is API calls. It handle network failures and invalid responses. So the fourth one, database operations. It manages connections failures and query errors. Okay, so today we learned first one is exception basics, second one is try accept, third one is specific exceptions, fourth one is multiple exceptions, fifth one is finally block, and sixth one is else block. So thank you, keep supporting, and if you like the video, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.